Hi there, my name is Savannah Lanza, and I'm here to teach Johnson County Library users about a popular library resource, Kanopy. In this tutorial, I will cover the basics of Kanopy, including what it is, how to access it through the Johnson County Library website, how to create a Kanopy account using your library card, understanding and using tickets, browsing the Kanopy collection, and accessing Kanopy for kids. To begin, what is Kanopy? Kanopy is a movie and video streaming service that is completely free to use with your Johnson County Library card. Kanopy has many critically acclaimed movies, award-winning documentaries, TV shows, and even storybooks for kids. Johnson County Library patrons get unlimited access to Kanopy Kids, as well as limited monthly access to Kanopy for adults. Now that we know a little bit more about what Kanopy is, let's look at how to access it. Before we begin, you will need an internet connection, a device that can connect to the internet, like a laptop or smartphone, and your library card number and PIN. If you don't know your card number or PIN, please contact one of our librarians for assistance. Let's start by opening up the web browser of your choice. Today I'm using Google Chrome, but any browser will work. In the address bar, we are going to type in www.jocolibrary.org. That is www.jocolibrary.org. This takes us to the Johnson County Library homepage. Next, I'm going to select the eLibrary tab at the top of the screen. In the drop-down menu, I am selecting Streaming Video. As you can see, there are several options here. We will want to find Kanopy and click on the orange button below that says Go to Kanopy. Since we accessed Kanopy through the library's website, it already knows that we're at the Johnson County Library system. To create an account, we will need to click on the red button that says Add a Library Card. On the following screen, we will want to enter our library card number and the PIN that you provided when signing up for your library card. Click Continue, and the following screen will have you enter your email address and create a password for your Kanopy account. After your account is set up, you can always return to Kanopy through the library website, or you can go to www.kanopy.com and log in with your email address and password. Now that I've shown you how to set up an account with Kanopy, I'd like to talk about what Kanopy calls tickets. If you direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, you will find a small ticket stub icon and a number next to it. Johnson County Library patrons automatically get 30 tickets that allow users to watch premium movies and television shows. Most movies cost around 2 to 4 tickets to access, while TV series will cost around 4 or 5. On the first day of every month, tickets will replenish back to 30. Remember to be mindful of how many tickets you have as you stream throughout the month. Now that we know what tickets are, let's look at how to use them. First, we're going to look at a couple of ways to browse for movies and shows. The main way would be to scroll through the homepage, where Kanopy staff have put together lists of movies and series based on several genres. Alternatively, we can go to the Browse button at the top of the page and select a genre from there. If you know what movie you'd like to watch, there is also a search button at the top of the page. Once we found a title that we would like to watch, click on its image. This will take you to a page dedicated to that title, which shows a description of the title, details about it, how many tickets it'll cost, and how long you will have to access it. For 4 tickets, I can watch Clueless as many times as I would like within the next 72 hours. The final topic I would like to discuss is Kanopy Kids, the kid-friendly version of Kanopy. To get to Kanopy Kids, I'm going to navigate to the top right of the screen and click on this button that says Kids. As I previously mentioned, the Johnson County Library provides unlimited access to Kanopy Kids. The on-screen pop-up will allow you to select parental controls. Just click Start Watching to view the available streaming options. Accessing this content is the same as on the normal Kanopy website, except we won't need to redeem tickets to watch these titles. Feel free to view as many as you would like. Now that we know how patrons can access Kanopy, create an account, use tickets, browse movies and shows, and access Kanopy for Kids, I have covered all of the basics of our top video streaming resource at the Johnson County Library. If you have any questions, please feel free to call the Johnson County Library at 913-826-4600. Thank you for watching!